kaboodle flat pack kitchens, and yes, I say kitchens, for every room of our house. The house has no wardrobes at the moment, but I believe Kaboodle are going to help with the wardrobes as well.
Yes. I was thinking of putting a little study nook in Harvey and Annabelle's room,
love it.
which would be really cute, and have their own little private area, and then also flush in your room, so just all along, just so you have the space.
There's no way I'm studying, that's for sure.
Yeah.
We've got all the new flat pack wardrobes are in. Obviously we're missing doors. So this is the start of the kitchen. I took all the raw doors and I sent them off to be sprayed. I didn't go with the standard colours that Kaboodle offer. So of course, no, we don't ever do anything standard, do we? So we wanted something bespoke. The colour is Milton Moon from Dulux, which is a light grey, which I think is going to look awesome with the concrete benches and the marble splashback. This is the raw product, which has the alpine finish, so a little bit of detail. The awesome thing is that they are already pre-finished on the back, so we don't actually have to paint that part, which really saves on costs as well. Yeah.
So what have we got here?
So this is the second stage of the process. This is where the doors get primed before they get sprayed. Oh, look at, he looks like an astronaut. He's gonna put it, the spray gun, onto the hose that's full of paint. All right, Harv, do you want to see our new kitchen cupboards? Oh, let's go. Amy's excited. How good is the colour? It's so much lighter than I thought it would be. So we've got them in our main bedroom. We've got them in Annabelle and Harvey's room. We've got them in the hallway, the laundry, and the living room.
And the kitchen, obviously.
Oh, and the main one? the spot where they're meant to go? The kitchen. Yes, hello, Toy Story. You are my best friend in the house.
Could you get any more cabinets under here? Seriously?
No, honestly, we haven't even filled them yet.
Wow.
I've gone from no storage to so much.
Storage was a huge part of the process, and
completely.
Yeah, just getting the scale in the back room and in the laundry and kitchen.
And that one we've nailed. I think using the flat pack Kaboodle option, I would do it again. I would honestly do it again. Okay, so this is our bedroom.
I remember the first day we came in here with a little bit of trepidation about the project that you had on your hands. You had, they were
those louvered.
Yes, the old school ones, and a weird little nook. Let me look at these handles.
Oh, hello. Here's a tip, don't let your dirty builders put them on. I love these wardrobes.
Beautiful. And paired with those handles.
Yeah, I know, they just work.